After mentoring hundreds of aspiring data analysts and junior analysts, I've noticed one common mistake. People spend months learning, but they never follow a proper strategy. In the last video, we have answered one important question, that should you choose a data analytics as a career? Abhi tak nahi dekha? Then I highly recommend you to go and watch it, because that will clear your confusion that you should choose a data analytics as your career or not. Now, let's say if your answer is yes, the next question comes, okay, but how do I become a data analyst, right? By end of this video, you will have a proper strategy which you can follow, because a wrong approach can waste a lot of time of yours. So let's start. Let's simplify the entire journey into 4 simple steps: learning, building, applying, and growing. The biggest mistake beginner make is buying a course on day 1. Don't do that. Even if I launch a paid course tomorrow, I would even recommend you not to buy it immediately. First, try to learn from yourself. Go to the YouTube, search all the free videos, go to Udemy, search for free courses, learn from yourself, download the data, play with the data, understand the data. Now, once you're confident about it, after 1 or 2 weeks, then start learning structurally. The second problem I see that people are trying to learn everything together. Don't do that. Focus one concept at a time. More importantly, don't be a professional course collector. I have seen people collecting courses in 6 months but never solving a real world problem. Learning should be time bounded. Build enough knowledge to move to the next stage. Another misconception people are making right now, thinking that, hey, AI can write a SQL code, write a Python code. What is the need of learning SQL and Python? Please don't do that. Learn SQL, learn Python, learn AI tools. Also learn to execute faster with the AI tools. Learn to debug your query, learn to build your dashboard, learn to connect your Power BI to the cloud quickly through MCP server so that you can write all the DAX and all the formulas. So learn to execute faster, not to replace your learning. The people who know the AI and analytics will have a huge advantage. Practice more than you watch. Here is a very simple rule. For every hour you spend on learning, spend 2 hours practicing that. Ask a question, solve a problem, download a data sets, practice all your interview questions. Try to understand the concept through your practice process and repeat it as long as you are not confident about the concept. Once you have studied enough, stop learning and start building. Your projects don't have to be unique. They just have to prove that you can solve a business problem from start to end. Take a business problem, try to solve it. It's okay. Don't worry if your first project isn't perfect, because a project can teach you no other courses can. Learn to think like an analyst. Companies don't hire you just because you can write a SQL query, right? They hire you because you can solve a problem. Let's say in an interview asks you, right, that, hey, our delivery time has increased. As an analyst, what should be your approach? Now, you don't start writing queries, correct? You should think fast. You should be like, what information do I need? What could be causing this? What question should I ask? Think fast, execute later. Learn business. This is one of the skills most beginners ignore. Understand the data is good, but understand a business is better. If you are interested in e-commerce, then learn how e-commerce makes money. If you are interested in banking, learn their products. If you are interested in healthcare, learn how they operate. The better you understand, the better your analysis become. Learn to communicate. Your analysis will only make sense when people understand it, right? So, practice, explain your thoughts. Practice to present your analysis. Practice writing skills. Because if you have a good communication skill, that helps in your interview, that helps in your job, that helps with your stakeholders. And if you have a very good communication skill, that will help you grow in your future or in your career too. Once you build enough confidence, start applying. Don't wait until you feel like I'm 100% ready. Treat interviews as a part of your learning. Every rejection teaches you something. Every interview improves your confidence. Don't wait for the perfection. Your first few interviews are your part of your learning. Even if you don't get selected, you will get to know that what exactly an interviewer or the market wants, and you can prepare accordingly. Getting your first job is not a finish line. It is just the beginning. Keep learning, keep growing, keep asking business questions, keep improving your communication. Technology will change, AI will change, tools will change, but the people who understand business will always be valuable. That's the mindset you should build from day one. Don't focus only on learning tools. Focus on becoming someone who can understand business, solve a problem, communicate better with the insights and improve continuously, because that's what makes a successful data analyst. Now in my next video, I'll give you the entire roadmap of the technical skills and the soft skills you need to become a data analyst, along with the order, so that you don't waste months in finding that in your journey. Thank you very much for watching. If you find it valuable, please give it a like, because it would be an encouragement for me to create more such content. And if you find it again valuable, please share with someone who also find or trying to get into a data analytics. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.